Hello students, today we are going to see the corrosion. आपने देखा होगा कि एक रेडिश कलर आयरन के ऊपर आता है. So what is that reddish color and why it comes here? You know it well? Yes, you have seen many times. But exactly why it comes? Because of the atmosphere and the oxidation of metal, it takes place. And what happens? The damage of the metal. So it means due to the various components of atmosphere, oxidation of the metal takes place, consequently resulting their damage. And this is called a corrosion. It means you have to remember 2 points. One, it is the damage of the metal, and second thing, it happens due to the atmosphere and oxidation. Let's see the top question on corrosion. What is corrosion? Do the gold ornaments chloride justify your answer? Can you tell me? Corrosion is nothing but the damage of the metal because of the atmosphere and oxidation. This is the definition of corrosion. Is that gold ornaments chloride? The answer is no. Why? Because oxidation, temperature, water does not react on gold, and therefore it does not corrode. Let's see the rusting. You have heard this word many times. See the diagram? This is the diagram of a key. Which color is there? Yes, a reddish colored solid layer on this key. This is nothing but a rusting. So what do you mean by rusting? A certain type of reddish colored solid layer collects on the metallic surface, and this is called a rust. Do you know the formula for the rust? Yes, the formula for this one is Fe2O3 dot XH2O. What is X? X is nothing but the number of atoms of water. So you have to write it. The rusting formula is Fe2O3 dot XH2O. But how can we prevent the rusting? We can prevent the rusting by 4 types. 1. We can color by oiling, anodizing, coating and painting. These are the ways to prevent the rusting. Let's see the top questions depends upon rusting. Observe the fly picture and write down the question's answer given below. The first question is, what is rust? We have seen already. What is rust? A certain type of reddish colored solid layer collects on the metal, and that is called a rust. I am going to tell you again. A certain type of reddish colored solid layer collects on the metallic surface, and that is called a rust. What is the chemical formula for the rust? This is a chemical formula for the rust. Fe2O3 dot H2O. Now let's start the next question. Write the reaction of the reduction of iron at cathode. This is the cathode and here is a reaction. Okay, next question. Write the reaction oxidation of iron at anode. See, this is the reaction on the anode. Now let me explain you why it happens. Fe is a metal. Yes, and it has a valency 2. So therefore it donates the 2 electrons. That's why it will be converted into a 2 plus ion. That's why we have written here Fe2 plus. Next question, why rusting occurs? Rusting occurs due to oxidation, temperature and water. It occurs. Which color form on the surface of the iron? You know it well. Reddish colored occurs on a surface. Now let's see some another top questions which depends upon rusting. First is, rusting of iron is a fast reaction, true or false. And second, I have given a diagram here. These are the 4 test tubes. Test tube number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the first one, oil layer on boiled water, salt solution. In the third, air is there, and in the fourth, air and anhydrous calcium chloride is given. And these are the questions which depends upon this diagram. Now I am going to disappear and you have to pause this video and write the answers of these questions. Let's start with the rancidity. I am eating these groundnuts. Have you seen this one? Its smell and taste is very bad. So this is called a rancidity. The process in which the taste and the smell of the food gets spoiled. This is called a rancidity. It means, remember the 2 points. Taste and the smell of the food gets spoiled. It is called a rancidity. Why it happens? Because of the oxidation which occurs inside that material, either that item, and therefore rancidity takes place. So how to prevent this rancidity? There are 3 ways to prevent the rancidity. The first one, by using the antioxidants. Second, by using airtight containers. And the third one, you know it well, which is that, yes, by using the refrigerators. Now let's see the top questions depends upon the rancidity. Here are the questions. I know that you have written a kurkure. Why the kurkure are packed in airtight containers? And the second, after a long time, why coconut and groundnut oil get bad smell? Now pause the video and see the question, write down the answers. Now I am going to disappear. Thank you.